So you might have seen my previous videos where I autocross my car, and sometimes, you know, I do some lapping with it. You know, it's kind of, you know, let's just say it's my weekend track car, you know. And if you ever went to autocross, you know, you have to put numbers on your car, and up until the last event, I was still putting masking tape on my car. And I keep seeing all these people with these nice looking magnetic numbers, and it just made me think, you know, why don't I get some for myself? You know, they look nice, they look kind of professional, and they seem to be way less of a hassle than just to put on masking tape on the car. Especially my car isn't always clean, and it's black too, so sometimes I just remove it and you can still see the numbers on the car, so it looks kind of dumb, you know. I looked into it and I just decided, well, why don't I do my own numbers? This thing sounds so good. Oh, these cars are so much fun. But yeah, like I was saying, you know, I figured out why not try and do them myself at this point, because I had a bit of leftover vinyl at my house because of a project I had on a hockey mask. So I figured, yeah, why don't I try and do this myself? So that's what I did, and I'll show you a bit of how I did it, you know, just to let you know that it's not that hard, really, if you want to do it yourself. Although it might be cheaper for you to get them done by there's people that specialize in like autocross, well, more so like racing numbers, and so it might end up being cheaper for you to do business with these people. You can find just a place just to buy them straight up with your specifications. But I wanted to do something a bit specific, so I figured I'd do them myself. Also, I'm in Canada, currencies that are different and shipping and all that stuff. It ended up being pretty much the same price for you know, whether I did it myself or I got someone to do it. What? I think, dude, this is cool. I think we got a spot, people. Yo, this is nice. I kind of need the sun to work with me, though. Because what were the odds, you know, having someone right behind me in the middle of nowhere, too? Actually, yeah, I don't know if I could have done something good with that spot. I probably look so dumb to other people, too. If you could see my face, dude, with the GoPro and, like, literally resting on my forehead and my nose. Like, I probably look like such a dork. Alright, so I found some better asphalt to talk over. Yeah, I'm still trying to find a good spot. Actually, I think I found, yeah, I think there was a spot over there. Nice looking truck. So yeah, this is just a cut up I guess footage of what I did to do my number plate. Most important things you need, honestly, the magnetic sheet and the big number stencils, because there's no way I can draw big numbers that look that good. I was listening to a record of I Heard That Noise by Quickly while doing this, and I just wanted to say real quick, might be the album of the year. I can't let you listen to it on YouTube because I'm gonna get copyrighted, but it's an awesome album and you should go check it out. But yeah, here I just cut up a big piece of rectangle vinyl Here I'm just sticking the numbers on, and they stick real good. I think it's 3M on the back, so absolutely no problems there. And here's the almost final result. There's one last piece that I bought that I thought was really a nice touch, really cool. This is Cricut, I'm pretty sure, so if you have the machine at home, you can do this yourself, but I bought them off of someone because I don't have the machine, and I think it ended up looking real nice. So here's the final result. I think it looks nice, honestly, for a home project. So yeah, see you next time.